Museum of ESG's work, which kind of does not end, continues with Jab Tak Hai Jaan, but somewhere down the line is the journey till then. So I don't know the exact designing and all that Adi, Uday and Pam Aunty must be doing. I'm sure with a lot of love and care, and hopefully everybody will come, have a great time, enjoy this eventful and entertaining film.
Yash Chopra heroines are described in a certain manner, a certain kind of visual thing that they get. Your all-time favorite heroine that he has portrayed on the
it get me into trouble if I talk about the heroines I've worked with. So with my love and care and thanks and huge amount of respect for Madhuri, Juhi, Katrina, Anushka, Preeti, Kajol, Rani. The ones I've already worked with, I'm not naming them because it will be with a bias, not because they're not beautiful and the best Yash Chopra heroines. So I'll play it safe and say Shri Devi, because I've not worked with her in a Yash Chopra film, so Chandni and Lamhe, yeah. But these wonderful ladies are also fantastic.
One question. The fact that we've seen promos of Jab Tak Hai Jaan, everybody... Sorry, the question has to be on Masopali.
Yeah.
Please.
Very close. Just this one.
Please.
Please.
Okay, we'll decide. If it's really radical, we'll not allow it. Okay. If it's nice and sweet, we'll.
Everybody's kind of guessing the story. Somebody said...
Oh, yeah. So I'll take this time. बताओ, अभी बता दूँ? सारी कहानी सुना दूँ मैं? ये चाहिए तुझे? जब तक है जान की कहानी एक मोटरसाइकिल वाले की है और उसकी जर्नी थ्रू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस इन द वर्ल्ड, और उसको दो मैकेनिक मिलते हैं. एक का नाम मीरा होता है, एक का अकीरा होता है. अकीरा जो है जापानीज़ मोटरसाइकिल ठीक अच्छा करती है, मीरा जो है इंडियन मोटरसाइकिल ठीक करती है. लेकिन उन दोनों की एक प्रॉब्लम कि जो पीछे वाली मोटरसाइकिल का हिस्सा है वो अकीरा ठीक अच्छा बेहतर करती है, आगे वाला हिस्सा जो है मीरा करती है. तो इस इंसान की ये सर्च है कि मैं तब तक मोटरसाइकिल ठीक नहीं कराऊंगा तब तक कि दोनों साथ में मिलकर मेरी मोटरसाइकिल ठीक ना करें कि आगे का हिस्सा भी ठीक हो जाए और पीछे का हिस्सा भी ठीक हो जाए. एंड जब वो ठीक हो जाता है, उनको बिना पैसा दिए जो पहला शॉट आता है ट्रेलर का कि तेरी आंखों की गुस्ताख मस्तियाँ, नमकीन मस्तियाँ, वो एक्चुअली पिक्चर का लास्ट शॉट. एंड दैट इज द स्टोरी ऑफ द फिल्म. जब तक what else would you expect from a Yash Chopra film? That's the story, yeah.
ये नई कहानी है.
नहीं, आपने पूछी, मैंने बताई आपको.
We'll have to stop it.
He'll get very angry to us. Okay, last question about Bioscope Wali. Ask Vinita a question. Why she's done this?
Why have I done? Everything. I think just anything I give to him really is of no. It's a thing. I mean, I want to give him more. So he can take the whole shop if he wants to, and I won't say no.
And I'll request one thing. See, we guys have been together, all of us.